What's up, y'all? It's your girl, the Cooking Angel, here again, and we're back with another video. Did I just say we? I'm back with another video, and I'm gonna be teaching you guys some delicious recipe today. A delicious recipe today. Anyway, so today we're gonna be making catfish pepper soup. So guys, in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make the catfish pepper soup. The catfish has already been washed, and I have a video that shows you a detailed description on how to wash catfish, because normally catfish is always very slimy when you buy them. So you need to wash them with like hot water, wash them with like hot water actually, and then just scrape the slime off, you know, all that thing. So just click here. I don't know if it's here or here. Anyways, click anywhere when you see the video pop up. So click it, and then it just take you straight right to the video where I have how to wash your catfish there. So you guys are gonna see the video, and please watch that video because it's an okra soup video, and who doesn't like okra soup? Anyways guys, so I'm gonna be teaching you all how to make catfish pepper soup, so stay tuned and let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is add your catfish to a pot. So I have just one catfish here, has been cut into 4 pieces. Then you add your seasoning. So this is Knorr seasoning, the meat flavor. Then add salt and add ginger and garlic powder. So you can actually leave out the ginger and garlic powder, which is this, so you can leave it out, but then it adds spice and flavor to your mixture. Then add pepper soup spice. Go easy on this because it can make or break your pepper soup. Then add onions, and also I usually add blended pepper. It's something I started newly because I realized that adds a lot of flavor, and if you have kata, this is very good for kata, so just make it a little bit spicy, but then easy on that, because when I served this to my mom, she was like that it was too peppery for her. So if you know it's going to be too peppery for you, so maybe add 1 tablespoon or something. So guys, the ingredients list is going to be in the description box, so check that out. Then add water, because you're going to let this simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding more water again. Make sure it's 2 to 3 minutes. So stir this up before you now cover the pot. The reason why we're stirring is so that we can have the spices go round. I mean, at the end of the day, it's still going to go round, but like this one is just wasabi. So just stir it around and then cover your pot and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you come back and check it. Right now, I actually already added water because I realized my catfish was burning because I was doing another thing. So like I already added water before. So after that 2 to 3 minutes, you add water again. Don't worry, I'm going to put all this in the description box. So add water and then stir. Then now at this point, this is where you're going to add the main water, because you can't have a catfish pepper soup with that small amount of water now. Obviously, it's pepper soup. You need water. Yeah, so you're gonna be adding I think about 50 cl or 20 cl of water. I can't remember, but it's gonna be in the description box. So add water, and then you might need to adjust the seasoning depending on whether you added a lot at the beginning. But what I usually do is I add most of my seasoning, enough seasoning to be able to carry the pepper soup at the beginning, so I don't have to start adjusting too much whenever I'm cooking. So stir that together, and please make sure that everything is to your taste before you can now cover your pot and then leave it to boil. So you can see that it's boiled. So the last thing is to add your scent leaf. Please, scent leaf should not go wrong. Like, it should not be missing in your catfish pepper soup, or even any pepper soup at all, because it adds so much flavor. So cover that and let it simmer for about 2 minutes, and that's all. Like, that's all. Your pepper soup is ready, guys. Your pepper soup is ready. So serve that to a plate, and you can take it like that, or take it with rice, yam, plantain, like anything, or you can even take it alone and just chop the catfish and enjoy life. Yeah, so that's gonna be it. That's just how to make catfish pepper soup. So guys, we're done with this video, and if you loved it, please give it a thumbs up. That's what tells YouTube that I have done a good job and you guys like it. So it basically pushes my video out, and if you want me to grow, just give me a like, and then please do subscribe if you're new here. Welcome to the family. You're welcome, guys. So if you're new here, please do subscribe. And my returning guys, Ejo, share the content. Even the new guys, please share the content with everybody. Anybody you think would love something like this, share it and tell them to subscribe, because I want more people in the family. I mean, who doesn't? Yeah, we are dishing our recipes left, right, and center. Don't you want someone to learn from all this? Don't be greedy and share. Yeah, anyways, guys. So that will be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Ooh, it's cinematic in the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected you to be right in my arms.